हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल। वेलकम वंस अगेन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश के फंड में। दोस्तों, आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत है अनदर वीडियो पे। तो दोस्तों, आप सभी लोग कैसे हैं? आई होप आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। एंड इंटरेस्टेड पीपल, इंटरेस्टेड इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पीपल हु आर टेकिंग टू मोर इंटरेस्ट, they are taking more interested to English speaking. Look, see guys, if you will be try to speaking English, then you will be able to speak English, whichever any field you want to do something in your life, any field you want to do something in your life, like a career and a business and government field. Everything depends on your inner desire. I like the same way in English speaking. If you will try to do more English speaking with your friends, so definitely then you will be able to speaking English. Otherwise, you can't. Are you getting my point? So, guys, in this video, here I would like to tell something about me first, and thereafter I will tell something about you. Are you ready, guys? So, guys, the reason is when I had started to spoken English. So then my friends and my neighbors and there are many peoples, they had started laughed at me. So guys, I like same thing happening with you. I like same the people are laughing on you. अगर लोग आपके ऊपर हंस रहे हैं तो आप उस चीज़ को इग्नोर करिए, इग्नोर दैट थिंग, बिकॉज when you will start to speaking English, anything when you will be start, so the people will be say, what are you doing, why are you starting? When you will be do this, the people will be try to more love at on you. So ignore that thing. I like same thing happening with me. I like same thing happening with you. So if you're trying to more to learn anything, any field, so the people will be laugh, but you will have to ignore. If until you will not ignore that thing, unless you can't reach your goal, unless you couldn't do anything in your life, so ignore it. If you will ignore and try to do more hard work and do more practice, and will be to focus on yourself, then you will be reach in your career. So लोगों को इग्नोर करना सीखिए। जब आप इग्नोर करेंगे और अपने गोल की तरफ आप बढ़ेंगे तो क्या होगा, तो फिर आप अपने लक्ष्य को, अपने एम को जो भी बनाया है, यू विल बी अचीव इट। बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल हैव टू इग्नोर द पीपल। आई लाइक same way, if you are trying to more English speaking, like you will be try to speaking English with your friend, front your friends, with your family, anybody else. The people will say, why are you doing this? Why will we do this to speak English? तुम जाओगे कहाँ? फिर बोल के क्या करोगे? क्या तुम्हें अमेरिका जाना है या इंग्लैंड जाना है? Why you will do this? But ignore it. It will be ignored. So then you will be learn anything. Then you will be reach. Then you will be achieve your goal, and then you will be become something in your life. Are you getting, guys, what I'm saying? So देखिए, मार्ग में रुकावटें आएंगी. There will be huge hindrance in your way, but don't stop. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep hard work. समझे गाइस? सो आप उस चीज़ को डेफिनेटली प्राप्त कर पाएंगे, बट try to do more and more, ignore the thing, try to do more and more, ignore the people, what they are saying, what they saying behind you. Got it, guys? So do something and ignore the people and learn speaking English. If you'll be do this, I'm repeating again and again this word, if you'll be do this and ignore, so वाकई में आप कुछ ना कुछ नया कमाल कर पाए. So thank you guys. I'll feed you another video. तब तक के लिए आप लोग ख्याल रखिए and keep learning speaking English and keep practicing and try to more and more learn different things. Try to do more, learn different of things in English speaking. So thank you guys. I'll meet you another video. Love you all.